Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be showing you guys what I got from IKEA, a IKEA apartment haul. I'm starting off apartment shopping in March. I move in May. My lease is up. I'm going to move either April or May, but I went to IKEA for the very first time ever in my life. I went to the one in Memphis. It is the closest, excuse me. Memphis is the closest one to me. We were in Dallas for my birthday last year, and we forgot to even stop at the one that's, you know, there in Texas that was close to Dallas. But yeah, we're going to jump right into this. So I got the smaller items for my apartment starting out because, like, if you watch my apartment haul in my other videos, I don't really have a lot of storage space. So I'm going to go back and get my IKEA furniture when it's closer time to like late April, early March. But in this first big bag I got, I'll put everything on the screen also or down in the description box below. But I've seen this a lot, and it's literally, I'm not even going to try to pronounce these names, but you literally just fold it and then you put all of your plastic bags. So I have a cabinet full of plastic bags and it's really overflowing, and I hate using like a cabinet when I can be using it for something else. So I'm gonna transfer those and put them in here, and then you can just pull them out. So I'm very excited to put this up in my new place. And then I also got this, what is this called? I don't know, but I'm gonna use this. The apartment that I'm looking at and moving towards, if you've seen my apartment hunting video, is the very last apartment I showed, and it has that waterfall shower, walk-in shower, all glass. So when I'm cleaning it, I'm going to need one of these to, you know, pull down the water and all of that. So I got this just in case if I do decide to go there. Really random. These were actually in the baby section. Nikki compelled me to buy these little plastic spoons. They were only 25 cents, so I mean, I got them. The other thing I got is these drawer organizers. It is 2, 4, 6 in here, 2 smalls, 2 mediums, and 2 large. I want the dresser from IKEA, so these fit perfectly in there. I also put up the dresser that I want. I also got a pair of cleaning gloves. I think these were only like, they were under $1. So definitely love that. Pretty color, and they're long. They go about right here to me. So definitely going to be cleaning a lot with those. I also bought one lantern because I don't know if I want to put this outside on my patio when I move, or I want the tall, long IKEA mirror that every single body has, every YouTuber. They're only $130, and I was going to put a small one and a big one kind of on the corner and put a rug under the mirror. Like, you know, you get what I'm saying. I'll try to put a video or a picture of what I'm talking about. So I didn't know what I wanted to do with this, so I just bought one for the time being. They had so many of these there, so I don't know if I want to use it for the patio or if I'm going to use it literally for the inside and put it by my mirror. And then the last thing that's in this bag is this shoe rack. Instead of really doing like a hardcore mud room or mud area, I'm just going to have this shoe rack right by the door. You can put your shoes right here when you walk in. This dog bed, I saw it in the showroom and it was really cute, and it's gray, so it's going to match my new apartment. Nikki actually bought Prince this. I'm excited for him to see this and lay on it. I'm not opening any of these items until I move, but yeah, I don't know where I'm going to put it because he already has one bed in here. He has a bed in my room, like in his cage, so I'll probably put it in the beauty room or replace it in the living room. So yeah, I don't know. But he has a bed now for every room. Any room I go in, he follows me and he likes to lay down. So I kind of want like a spot for him in every room. And I only got one of these, but these are little shelf organizers inside your cabinet. So my idea for this is to use in the kitchen. So I'm gonna have tall cabinets so I can stack plates under here, bowls in here, you know, just whatever you want to do. I'm gonna end up buying more, of course, for the kitchen, but I may actually end up buying these for the bathroom when I organize my bathroom. But I'm not buying too much because, like I said, I don't even know what space I'm gonna be in and you know how things are laid out. So I kind of want to, you know, wait a little bit, but I am buying the basics that I wanted. This little backpack was actually on sale for like $1.30. Nikki was like, we need this, so I got it. But I'm actually gonna make this my new gym bag because my gym bag now I used for my work bag. So yeah, random, but I'm gonna use it for a gym bag. And I also got 5 of these shoe organizers. Really great price. I think they were they $1.99? I don't know. They were really cheap. So I got 5 for now. Like I keep saying, I don't know how big my space is going to be or the layout of things. So I only got 5, but I'm very excited to put these to use. I'm going to stack some on top and then stack some under the bottom. So very excited about that buy. They had so many cute clear acrylic little things. So this soap dispenser I'm actually going to put probably in my guest bathroom, or I may just end up switching out all of my stuff, but I like it because it's clear and I don't know, it just looks really cute. So got that. Got these fake plants. If you watched my apartment haul and other vlogs, you see that I was looking for fake plants. I actually had these in my cart for at least 2 months now, and I've had it screenshotted forever. So I have so many places that I need to put these fake plants. I'm gonna go back and probably buy about 4 more, but really cute and really affordable. And while we're on the subject of plants, I actually did buy some real plants. So this one came like that, and then I bought this one for like 40 cents. So I'm putting that in there like that. But this one is really cute. I should have bought 2 of each, so if I want to like match it up on something, but super cute. And then I got this one because Nikki said these doesn't really die, like they stay alive for a long time. So same thing, just slipped it in there. And yeah, I'm probably gonna go back and buy identical to that one. And then since I am gonna have a patio and a storage outside in the patio, these are just storage. These aren't even bins, like storage bags. And since I have my Christmas ornaments, Christmas tree, all things holiday like, I'm gonna put all my holiday things inside these bags and then put them into my storage unit outside on the patio. So I only bought 2 for now, but when I go back to IKEA, which I am gonna do, I'm gonna buy more. But that's the idea for these storage bags. I'm gonna put all of my holiday decor or just random things that don't need to be in the house but I still need. So that is all I got from IKEA. I'm gonna put pictures of what's in my cart, like the actual furniture that I want, so y'all can kind of get an idea of what I'm trying to do. And then from TJ Maxx, I got this little fresh groceries, meat, vegetables, and cheese. I was actually going to buy one of these from At Home. Theirs, I think, said like Fresh Market. So this one was from TJ Maxx. It was only $7.99. It was only $7.99. And my plan for this is to put this in my pantry, but I want to put all of my potatoes in here. So to get them out of those bags and just in one spot, I'm really excited to do a pantry organization for you guys when I move. So yeah. And then this, Nikki actually bought this for me. TJ Maxx, $5.99. I feel like it matches perfectly with this. My style of the apartment that I'm going for, or that I would like to have, is definitely glam, but like minor glam. Like that's why I feel like glam ties into my apartment with my vanity. My couch is very glam. and different things like that. But I like glam. I love Princess. I keep the camera. I love farmhouse. As you can see, this basically ties into my farmhouse theme that I'm trying to go for. Also, my clock in my room I feel like is farmhousey, and I also like modern. So I'm trying to combine farmhouse, glam, and modern all in one. So it's really a struggle, but I'm excited to move and excited to really do my apartment how I want to do it. As far as any other updates, I haven't applied anywhere yet. I'll probably apply to, I don't even want to speak on too much, but I haven't applied anywhere yet. I think I got to give a 60-day notice, so I'm going to be doing that soon. So if you have any other questions pertaining to, you know, my apartment update, comment them down below and I will definitely answer them for you. But I wanted to show you guys my IKEA haul. I'm so super excited that I finally been to IKEA. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be bringing y'all along on my new apartment journey. So within a couple of months, we're going to be moving out and the video is going to be dropping. As always, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye, guys.